Plaintiff Nina Coleman is suing the defendant for breach of contract and defamation of character. Nina says she hired the defendant, a popular rap artist, to judge a talent contest, then collaborate on a song with a winner. But the defendant didn't hold up his end of the agreement. But defendant and rapper Yung Nino says he honored his word, and he has the contest winner to prove it. Yung Nino claims he is now suing Nina because she's talking bad about him and trying to destroy his reputation in the music industry.
Nina Coleman is suing Compton Banks for breach of contract, defamation of character, and Compton is countersuing Nina for a talent contest promoter for defamation of character and unpaid wages. Nina, why are we here today?
We're here today because Yung Nino refuses to...
Okay, is Yung Nino Compton Banks?
Yes, he is.
Yeah, that's me.
That's you?
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Excellent.
Oh, boy. Yung Nino.
It's going to be a long
Okay,
thing.
Nina, hit me.
Well, first, I would like to say I have a entertainment company called Soldier Entertainment, where I showcase artists, and I have a talent show. And the last one I had was DFW Has Talent, in which Yung Nino was a judge. And he had a prize pack, which was to collaborate a song with the winner, to put them on a mixtape, and to be in a video for one of his new songs or whatever. However, after the competition, he refuses to deliver the prize pack in which we had agreed upon.
Okay. When did you first meet Yung Nino? Nino, sorry. I'm sorry.
When I first met Yung Nino, I believe was May the 1st.
Had you heard of Nino before this?
Not really.
So how'd you hear of him?
Well, I had a featured artist that had been in my past events, and he knew that I was looking for a celebrity judge. And Yung Nino had a song like 4 years ago that was popular in the Dallas area.
It's still the hottest song in Dallas.
In his mind, it's still the hottest.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, still the hottest song.
What did you agree to pay him?
$300.
$300. Do you give him any money up front? How does it work?
Well, he asked for a deposit, and so I gave him the $150, and I do have my email and everything here, the agreement and everything. Would you like that?
Yeah, I'd love to see the email. Thank you. Okay, so you give him $150. Give him 50% up front?
Sure.
Did he show up? Was he a good judge?
He showed up, but he wasn't a good judge at all.
Why?
The judges are to remain at the table.
Right.
He was walking around like it was his show.
I can tell he can't stand still now.
Oh, yes. He was talking to the contestants, the audience, going to the bar.
How'd you like it if I got off the bench and walked around and talked to everybody?
Your Honor, I had to walk around and able to hear and feel and let the artist feel comfortable.
What's a day without a rationalization, huh?
Okay.
Now, how'd you get into rapping?
I first started rapping when I was 14 years old. I have a hit single called Oak Cliff. That's my hood. I see that she was a hardworking person. She sold herself to me, and I like, you know what? I'm gonna come in. I see somebody from the Dallas Fort Worth entertainment company. I love my city because I am the king of Dallas, by the way.
You're the king of Dallas?
Yes, ma'am.
Is your picture at the airport?
You know what? We need to call and get the ring.
The king of Dallas.
So, anyhow.
So what is your name?
My name is Anthony Montgomery.
Stand up, Anthony. Why are you here?
To kind of be a witness for Nino. And I had spoken to Mr. Nino as far as the agreement a couple of days before. We thought he was going to be a no-show. And I just, when I called him a few times, he assured me that it wasn't about the money or whatever. It just they were just having a disagreement.
Because his manager, so-called manager, the day before the show, sends me a email trying to get more money.
Are you the manager?
No.
Who are you? Stand up.
I'm DeAndre Anderson, Mr. OK. And I won the first prize. I won first place.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. She gave us like $100 when we won. And I put over like $150 in promoting the show and the package, you know what I'm saying? She talked to some other people in my group, you know what I'm saying? I guess they went for the money. They thought it was going to be a lot of money over the video shoot and doing a song collaboration, which mine is worth more than $100. So I told him that we should have get the feature, like the flyer said. We should get the song.
Does anybody have the flyer?
I have the flyer
I'd love to see it.
And my
Thank you
flyer
very
does
much.
not say, it just says what the prizes are.
Was he the first prize winner, yes or no?
Yes, they were. But the order of the show, I have the order of the show, which I also sent to Yung Nino, which I also have text messages that he said he received. And the order of the show is the winner gets to choose the prize. What the prize they do not want, the second place receives
But he's
the prize.
the winner.
And he chose the money over the prize pack.
All right, hold on. DFW has talent, hip hop and rap, Club TI Boulevard. Okay, prizes, cash, guest appearance on Yung Nino's brand new video for new single, Where I'm At.
I brought it for you to hear it too, ma'am.
You did?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's hear it.
Yeah. That's where I'm at. 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 Detail living great.
I like this.
Thanks. You gotta come be in the video. You look so beautiful in it.
Oh, I do?
Yes, ma'am. Just that smile right there.
All right.
Okay.
You're talented. That's
Thank
very
you. I
good.
appreciate that.
Yep.
And no one said
nice to
he
have you here.
wasn't. He just didn't keep with the agreement.
Now, what you want is you are suing him for the purchase of the prize package $350 and the prize package value $2,400 and a defamation of character. Why?
Because he did not give Young, Fly, and Flashy the Nino prize pack. They won it because Muggsy, the group he's with, was first place. Young, Fly, and Flashy was second place.
Okay, and he chose the money.
They chose the money. So
Right.
then Young, Fly, and Flashy got...
So where's Young, Fly, and Flashy? Why aren't they suing?
I have them right here, ma'am. I actually have a song with them. I work with them. I have the receipt of the
He's been
studio.
calling them.
They
And I also have a...
They talk to me every day.
and you weren't supposed to talk to him.
So the second prize winners did a video with him and the first prize
and,
winner.
and I don't know anything about that, but I have here where the manager
So
said...
then how are you at a loss if those people actually
Because
got what was promised to them?
I spoke to the manager. He wanted them to pay for it to do a song collaboration. I said, well, that's not how it goes. It doesn't go that way. And he knows this. We talk back and forth.
What is your damage?
The damage is Young, Fly, and Flashy did not get the Nino prize pack, and that's what it was
Young,
advertised.
Flash, and Fancy or whatever. All right. This is them?
Young, Fly,
Is
and
this
Flashy.
Young, Flat, and Fancy?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Young,
no.
Fly, and Flashy. That's those
It doesn't
stages.
matter.
It's those. That's those.
Skinny and
Because
low,
he was
I
calling
don't
the
know.
young
Doing
guy. He
the
was
song.
calling the young guy.
They got the prize. He
But
did.
the manager,
You know what he did?
The manager told me that they
I
did
don't
not.
care about the manager. What this guy did, he did an end run around you. You know that?
He did. He
He
that's what I
did.
mean. He's a hustler. And so he did it.
He is a
'Cause
hustler.
Just last week he called.
What's your background?
I was bad growing up.
What'd you do?
I went to jail for shooting at the police. They shot at me first. It was defense.
You shot at the police? And you're not in jail?
It was a blessed situation. They shot at me first, and we got everything handled.
Let me give you a news flash.
Yes, ma'am.
If the police shoot at you, it doesn't give you the right to shoot back at them.
Right. I agree. I agree.
By the way, what are you suing her for?
She's actually been telling people bad things about
She's
me.
bad-mouthing you.
Yes, ma'am.
not.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have the emails. When
What is she saying about you?
she's telling people that I didn't do what I say I was going to do, and I did it.
The bottom line here is whether or not there is defamation going both ways. Did you satisfy her needs? Did she satisfy your needs? You won the first prize and you got to be on the video. So you can't sue for that. The people who won second prize got to be on the video. You can't sue because the manager's complaining. At the end of the day, nobody wins. Stop talking about each other. No verdict.